Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Sofia from Sofia the First in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to go to the dressing room and wear this skirt from the Madoka set, and then you can color it this purple for the first selection, and for the next selection you can color it white. And I'm going to remove the ribbon. I'm going to choose no bow for the toggle, and let's move to the corset area. I'm going to wear this corset, this one, and I'm going to color it this purple for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm going to color it white. For the third selection, color it purple, and for the bow I'm going to color it white. Okay, sorry guys, for the third selection I'm going to color it white as well, and for the last selection color it purple. Okay, and let's move to this area, and I'm going to wear this heel, and I'm going to color it purple, the same purple, and we're going to wear the sleeves, color it purple. Okay, and let's move to the necklace area. It's right here, and then I'm going to wear this necklace and change the toggle to 2, and then we're going to color it with the same purple. Okay, and then actually we need to wear tiara, but it's in VIP room, so I'm just going to replace it with the other accessories. I'm just going to wear this one and color it purple, and I'm gonna wear this item, color it purple for the first selection, for the second selection, and also the third selection. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.